Hello. Uh, Yanapa computer is back. Today we have an HP laptop Core IT7 Gen. Sorry, yes, Core IT7 Gen. But I don't know what the exactly model number. But the problem is this. Yeah, see the small window at the screen. Power model plug-in, better performance, but the battery is still zero. Yeah, still zero, not charging. The ampere meter is about sorry, yeah, yeah, 0.65, 62, 69, but it's mean it's the laptop not charging. You see what we will do first? We must open this laptop, check the battery, if the battery has voltage or not. If the battery is still good, we will check the first and two MOSFET. If is the gate of the MOSFET is have a correct voltage, so the laptop can be charging itself. Let's open the laptop. Shut down. Okay, the laptop has been opened. Visually this is 100% maybe the problem of the battery, because you see the battery has been not like usual. This is a bump here, a bump, two bump, this cell and this cell, but this cell is still good. So the solution is replace the battery. Okay, this is the new one of the new one battery. So we will replace this one with this. Okay. Then we screw back the battery. Then I will plug in the adapter and see if the new battery is charging or not. Where's the charging port? Oh, this one. Okay, plug in the battery. Okay, the orange light, it means the battery is charging. Yeah. Okay, see the ampere meter. Okay, see the blue one, 2.98 ampere. This means battery charging. Okay, we will put back all together, and I think I stop the video here. I will put back it together without the video in. See you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.